Hello and welcome to this very cool 1969 Pontiac GTO convertible Restomod. Almost everything on this car has been touched, and wow, is this thing badass. Let's go for a quick ride and we'll go through the details afterwards. Wow, where do we start with this Restomod? First, it was a passion project by a gentleman in the late 2000s on the East Coast. Let's start with the engine, a Pontiac 455 big block that was bored out to 468. This thing is incredible. A 5-speed Richmond transmission was put in, positive traction rear end. It has the hood-mounted tachometer. It has the rear spoiler, ram air hood, all the things you want on the GTO. And oh, that stereo, amazing. Go check it out on www.GenowAutoWerks.com. Thank you.